Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a G for the bong bong bong, your body.
Good morning, YouTube. What's up? Getting my breakfast ready. I just changed my sheets. I'm washing my comforter and I have to clean both my bathrooms. Dash makes a mess every single time in his litter box. Like for nothing, for no reason. For no reason. I need to go to the post office and drop off a package, but I actually need to get the package ready. I'm giving some goodies away. I took advantage that the truck was rude to just take a quick little break and put my tea bag in my water, and also I'm boiling some eggs for part of my breakfast. Well, I have to unbox a bunch of PR packages, and I think I still have to pick some up. Like cleaning a bathroom is a lot of work, that's all. I'm going to a book signing later. I don't know if you guys are familiar with her, but Terry Cole on Instagram is going to be at a book signing for another author. I forgot her name. I know the first name is Jessica. I don't know the last name. But I just signed up because I love Terry Cole. We've been following each other for quite some time. And honestly, y'all, when she followed me back, I was so excited. She is a psychotherapist and focuses on, I think, family and relationships. I'm not quite sure. But she's just so dope. And the fact that she follows me, I just think it's like so amazing. And I'm going to go meet her. So I'm excited for that. And it's actually at the Barnes & Nobles on Atlantic, which if you guys are familiar with Brooklyn, can you believe that the Barnes & Nobles on Court Street closed? Can you believe that the Court Street movie theater is closed? Because that is like my whole childhood, and I was really flustered about that. But there's a new one on Atlantic. It's not the same at all, but whatever, that one's gonna have to do. I have a little more energy this week, but I'm also feeling kind of like all over the place. I have not gotten my results for my MRI, which I'm gonna share more about like what that stuff is at some point. I just want to make sure everything is okay first and then move forward, you know what I mean? Right now I've just been like not freaking out really, but like I think it's taken up a lot of mental space where I'm just like not able to function as I normally would. This week I am back up a little bit, and plus I have things to look forward to, so that's what's important. That's what's keeping me up this week. But also I'm gonna stop rambling. I just wanted to give you guys a couple of updates. It's like no matter how many times I try to put my hair up, it's just so silky, it's falling down. But I'm back. I got my tea. I want to spill it, but green tea with some oat milk and agave. And then my breakfast is some boiled eggs, avocado, and smoked salmon. That's what we're eating right now. I'm about to eat some breakfast and then continue editing this vlog, and I'll be back when I'm doing PR unboxing. All right, y'all, I am back. I just finished unboxing everything and taking videos of everything. Let me show you this insane package that Impress sent me, and I just ran out of the lashes. Like 3 drawers of Impress lashes, y'all. Insane. It reminds me of my MAC Lips package that I got a couple years ago because of the packaging, the actual thing. Except for this thing has a huge mirror, so it's like I kind of have to keep this now. I don't have to, but I will. Another company I want to briefly shout out is Half Magic, because they sent me their new like eyeshadow sticks, and I love eyeshadow sticks for those simple days. I actually might use one today because I am gonna do a little makeup for the book signing. But they always send something so special, and it's always my vibe. So recently they sent me a package, and I actually have it right here because I have to clean off my desk. It's a hot mess. Last time they sent me this little angel necklace with their PR package, right? And this time I got a journal with a little lock and some color pens. And honestly, this takes me all the way back to like the password journals. Actually, it's not. Password journals had like an actual thing you have to put a password, but it reminds me of being a little kid, and that I used to journal since I was like really little. So this just made me so happy. I'm just so grateful. It just boosts my energy every time I open up PR packages. Don't we love that smell and sound of coffee being made in the morning? Or is it just me? Okay, y'all, so it is Thursday, August 15th. I am making some coffee. I'm feeling a little under the weather, and I have a headache, and I have a theory that the reason why I have a headache, look at this my sideburns be going crazy. My hair looks crazy right now. I kind of woke up like an hour ago. I think I got a headache because I drank 2 cups of green tea yesterday, like back to back. And I think that's what gave me the headache, because that's the only thing I did different. Today, I'm supposed to have 2 events in one with Huda Beauty. First portion of the event is from 11 to 12:30, and we're supposed to have a master class with Huda Beauty, with Huda herself. They told us not to wear any complexion products, but to just wear eye and brow makeup. So I'm gonna be ready in like 2 seconds. However, I do have to figure out my outfit. I have an idea of what I want to put together. The next portion of the event is a launch party for their new product. Also, I just did my nails last night, and my toes, I did them the same thing. This is the gel strips, I think they're called, from Dashing Diva. I'm about to eat some yogurt. Also, have my vlog camera charging. I've been using my phone to vlog, and I realized I have a whole vlog camera that I should be putting to use. So I'm gonna put that to use. Catch you on a little bit. All right, y'all, so I'm almost ready. I just kind of have to put my eyebrows into place, set them, accessorize, and I'm gonna do some impress lashes because those are quick and easy and give a little boost. This is the outfit I went with. Excuse the mess behind me. I just did some PR unboxing. So this is the outfit I went with, and then of course I'm wearing my black heels that I wear like all the time. I need to get some new heels. I just took some Tylenol because my headache still didn't go away, and it's really kind of annoying actually, but I am still drinking some coffee. Also, I think the coffee helped just a bit. All right, so I'm gonna use this new e.l.f. brow laminating gel. I usually use the MCO one. I'm just making sure my bra doesn't show. I wanted to wear a bra rather than just the pasties today. I'm going to this event, and I didn't receive a confirmation. Now, typically when you go to an event, they will confirm a few days before, or like the day of or the day before. I didn't get anything at all, and I was also supposed to receive a Uber or Lyft code. I just don't like that, but I'm still gonna go because I love Huda, and I've been a subscriber of hers for a very long time, and this is the first event that I am going to with her brand, and I just got kind of like in contact with her brand. They just reached out to me and sent me some stuff, so I'm gonna go because of that. I know her, I'm familiar with her, I like her. I'm using the press-on falsies from Impress. These are classy natural. Okay, so we're gonna start off with long. I'm also not gonna do anything on the eyes until later if I do end up going to the second portion of this launch. Like, do y'all see how quickly I'm applying this shit? Like, it just makes no sense why people haven't caught on to this yet. Then the rest, I'm gonna do some mascara. Yo, I am sweating. BRB. All right, y'all, my look is complete. I'm about to call my cab and head out. Again, I still haven't received anything from the team. I'm gonna add the YSL Black Opium because this, I put it right on my earring, because this sets in a little bit better. And it smells so good. All right, I've mixed like 3-4 perfumes and body sprays. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Let's see what this is about. I'll see you in a bit.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I just body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
But you gotta be smart about it.
up, you guys? I am back home and I am now replying to emails. I actually been home for a little bit. The event was so cute. They're actually having another event right now, but I am not going to that one, where we got to meet Huda, and that was so amazing. Like, why is Slappy Mama right here? Okay, that was so amazing because I've been following Huda for years. I realized the first video I've ever seen of hers was actually like 9-10 years ago, which is so crazy, way before Huda Beauty was a thing. I didn't realize the close connection and full circle that this was until I realized, like, shit, I've really been following her for so freaking long. And just to see her at this stage and just do amazing things has been just amazing. I'm just so grateful that I am now in touch with her brand and have a connection with them. And so now I am just replying to emails. I'm gonna take off this makeup and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It seemed a little more fun. I have a lot of great things happening so soon, and I cannot wait to share with you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my vlogs, and I hope you guys are enjoying these weekly/daily vlogs, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.